Hey everybody, it's Oz with Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. Welcome back. I'm back at the campsite. Jack and Letty are still in Lake Jackson because COVID. So I haven't been doing Renaissance fairs, my cons, or any of my LARPing, amp guard stuff this year because of COVID. I had to get to a campsite, so we're going to do a quick, easy thing. Teach you how to do this. You can do this in backyard when you're camping. Go to your campsites, back when fairs and events are opening back up. You can do it there too. We're going to do s'mores. Now I'm doing it this opening part while it's still daylight, just in case you need to do that. Before we get into it, be sure to like, share, subscribe, ring the little bell, do all the YouTube-y stuff, and let's just get into it. Alright, it's s'mores, man. You're going to need, like, very simple stuff, right? You're going to need a fire, so get your fire starter. You're going to need marshmallows, graham crackers, and you can use the Hershey's bars things, man, or you can go straight Fat Boy and get you some Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. So, first things first, like, you want to prep this, go ahead and break your graham cracker here and do this. I'm going to show you why. Check this out. It's like they marketed this together for a reason. Like, you get this, put it on, boom, fits. Like, that couldn't be a coincidence, right? So you're going to need a stick. I use wooden skewers. You can use coat hangers growing up. You can just find a stick and shave it down if you don't mind getting sticks dirty. Put you a marshmallow on it, and then get you a fire. Now, you're going to put it over the fire. Our sticks are kind of short, so if you're on the downwind, it's going to burn. That sucks. So go around the other side and get it burned. Like, I like mine warmed up. I don't like it burned. Like the slight brown on the outside and I'm good. So just a few seconds. If it catches fire, blow it out. Hey, there you go. And then, see, like mine's barely toasted. You can really barely see it on there. But it's squishy enough to where it's been warmed up, but it's not liquid napalm or crunchy, right? And then just put your other one on there. See how it's melted? Like, that's toasted enough. That's good enough for me, right? So, I'm going to show you how to do the Fat Boy. Get you a Reese's, unwrap it, put it on there. You want to put it cup down, right? And then off to go with the fire. Warm it up. Because everybody would complain if I didn't do this. You burn the crap out of your marshmallow. One of the problems with burning the marshmallow is it's hard to get this off here if you're trying to use two hands. Now, if you use the other hand to grab the graham cracker like in like a scissor thing, kind of pinch it off like you're using 3 shells to clean your marshmallow off the thing. But this is why I don't like burning it. See, yeah, you gotta have somewhere to put the stick and get on that. And it goes to squishing. Hi, Misty's hand. How are you? And then just kind of wipe the rest of it off and whatever. And that's done, man. This is one of those things, like, the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup is one of the most genius things ever. It doesn't photograph good, but growing up, I always heard about s'mores. I always heard about people going to camp with s'mores. And, like, we grew up like cowboys, man. We sat around and ate steak around a fire, you know, or beans and coffee. So that's all we had. So s'mores were always this different thing. Like, we had s'more-flavored Pop-Tarts, but I never actually tried them. Then when I was in my teenage years, I was able to take it and get a fork and put that bitch over, you know, get the hot dog fork, put it over the gas stove, and you can make these at home. But chocolate was always kind of expensive. So this was super easy, man. You could do either one of these. I got the whole packs of the Reese's and the Hershey's for like $4 $5 a piece. So you could do one or the other of these and put it in your budget real easy. It's really helpful. It's a great thing for camping for kids and for grown-ups. That was a whole group of grown-ups that was able to do all those and have a blast doing it. Try these out. Let us know. There you have it, guys. Quick and easy. Do it at the campsites. Do that kind of stuff. It's super cheap. Way better than you get at the fairs and stuff. You do it differently. You want to see us try it different? Put it in the comments. Let us know. You can also find us on social media at Facebook, Patreon, and Pinterest. Shout out to our patrons. Thank you very much. And you can find us at all those at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen, or you can find us at Living Between at Instagram over there. And I'll see you next time.